And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Hey Sea Lions, this week it's all about Staff Appreciation Week, so here are some of our scholars shouting out their favorite teachers.
Which teacher do you appreciate the most?
Miss Kim. Miss Sizemore. Miss Moulton.
I appreciate Miss Sagan because she was a really good teacher and she taught us a lot of stuff.
Miss Lou.
Why?
Because she was always nice to me and she always helped me. Miss Smith and Miss Gardner. Thank you, Miss Pendel. You're my favorite teacher because you are nice and you make everyone want to be in your class. I want to give a big shout out to Miss Upesky because she makes learning fun. Bye. I want to shout out Miss McClellan because she always makes people laugh and she is just a great teacher. I like Miss Rendell because she's really nice. I like Miss Rendell because she teaches me math. I like Mr. Anku because I like how he cleans up the whole school. I appreciate Miss Lepescu because she always gets us back on track when we're not focusing. Miss Sobers is the best teacher in the whole wide world. Miss Lee and Miss Garcia because they teach me wonderful things. Thank you, Dr. Ice. You're an amazing teacher. We love you so much and we care for you all the time and you care for us. Thank you, Mr. Anku, for taking such good care of our campus and being nice to all students you see. Thank you, Mr. Anku.
Who do you appreciate the most?
I appreciate Miss Yusan and Miss Lisa.
I appreciate my teachers, family, and the ducklings in my class because they're so cute.
I really appreciate Miss Anaceto because she teaches us a lot of things.
I like Miss Gardner because she teaches me math and Miss Smith because she teaches me social lab. My teacher's really nice because she does morning meetings with us and she helps me do stuff when things are hard.
And who's your teacher?
Miss Lyons.
Thank you, Miss Espinosa, for making me feel welcome.
Miss Lou.
Why?
Because she helps me. I like Miss Therese because she's really kind and she helps me with my work. I like Miss Fox because she helps with my work. Shout out to Miss Lawrence for making PE a very special thing to me.
Thank you, Miss Beadlove, for being a great teacher.
I appreciate Miss Baxter because she teaches me a lot of music and I get to show it to my family. My Kids Corner leader, Miss Tama, she's a great leader to Kids Corner and she's always so kind.
I'm shouting out Miss Francisco because she's one of the nicest teachers at McGaw.
I want to give a shout out to Miss Gardner because she always makes us laugh. I'm thankful for my teacher, Mrs. Garcia.
Why?
Because she does activities with us and helps us learn math.
I appreciate Miss McCollum because she was one of my favorite teachers.
I want to say thank you to Miss Saigan because when we raise our hand and if we get it wrong, she says it's okay and you can do it. What I like about Miss Saigan is she's really nice and yeah.
Thank you, Miss Wallace, for being so kind.
Who do you appreciate the most?
Miss Kim.
Why?
Because she gives us fun projects. I appreciate Miss Duncan because she makes everyone want to be in her class. She's very funny and she makes learning very fun. My teacher, Miss Sadler, because she teaches me a lot. I picked Miss Bassage to shout out because she teaches so much music stuff and she makes me want to learn more. Bye, Miss Bassage.
Thank you, Miss Wallace. You are the best teacher I've ever had. Thank you, Miss Espinosa, for making me feel loved. Thank you, Miss Ibarra.
Miss Francisco.
Tell me why.
Because she's funny, she's kind, she makes us laugh. She's nice, she's kind. We love you, Miss Francisco. I want to shout out Miss McClellan and Miss Monteleone. Hi, my gosh, Sea Lions. I will shout out Miss Life because she is sweet and nice, and I love her subjects for us.
Thank you, Miss Espinosa, for helping me throughout this year.
Thank you, Miss Anya, for letting us do all these fun art projects. Miss Manleon! Because she's sweet, funny, nice. Bye!
My name is Charlie. I'm thankful for Miss Anderson because she's a very fun teacher and she makes learning fun. Bye, Miss Anderson.
My name is Zoe and I'm thankful for Miss Hess because she takes care of us and she loves us. Bye, Miss Hess.
The celebration of our wonderful staff at McGaw continues next week. So join Flip to shout out your favorite staff member or find me on the field so you can say thank you.
April 4th, be with you and heart.
There you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus.